Hello icons. So in the previous class you learned how to find the sum by arranging the numbers. When the question is given horizontally, so you have arranged the numbers vertically, right? So depending upon the place, you focused upon the place, right? When there are different number of digits in every number, you focused upon the place and you have arranged them depending upon the place, and then you found the sum, right? Now today's topic is horizontal addition. Like, the question is given horizontally and you can add it from there itself. You no need to arrange them vertically. Okay, let's do horizontal addition itself. Like, suppose the number is 1236 plus 5835. So shall we find the sum for this numbers? So these are called addends. What are these? This is addend. This is addend. So this is the sign for addition, which is plus. This is equal to. So we are going to add these addends to find the sum. What is sum? Sum is the answer for addition, right? So before we add, write the places: ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Again ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So even when you arrange these numbers vertically, you will start adding from ones place, right? Now also we'll start adding from ones place. First add ones place and ones place. So what is 5 plus 6? Near doubles. 5 plus 5 is 10. So plus 1 is 11. So write 1. So when you write them vertically and when you get 2-digit number in ones place, what do? You take carry to the tens place, right? Now also take carry to the tens place. Write 1 here. Okay. Now add tens place. Here 3 and here again we have 3. So doubles. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. Write in tens place. After tens place, hundreds place. Now add hundreds place. 8 plus 2. It's a combination of 10, right? So 8 plus 2 is 10. So write 0 and take 1 carry to the in the next place. Now thousands place and thousands place. 5 plus 1. Number plus 1 gives after number, right? So 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 1 again 7. So this is how you will do horizontal addition. Alright, shall we check whether what we have done is correct or not by arranging them vertically? Let's do that. So 1236 plus 5835. Let's add 6 plus 5, 11. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 8 plus 2 is 10. 5 plus 1, 6, plus 1, 7. So did we get the same answer? Now you are in grade 2. So you can do horizontal addition now. Okay. Now here both the numbers have equal number of digits. Now let me take another example where both the numbers have different number of digits. Alright. So here is my second example where I will take different number of digits in both the numbers. Can I take 3 addends? I'll take 3 addends, okay? 30 plus 8 plus 127. So how many addends I have taken now? 3 addends. 1, 2 and 3. These are called addends, right? So again, write the places: ones, tens, hundreds. Ones and tens, right? Now add ones place. What is 7 plus 8? Again, near doubles. 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. And here again ones place. 15 plus 0 is 15 again. Any number plus 0 is the number itself. So 15. How do you write 15? You will write 5 in ones place and you will carry in tens place. Now add tens place. Now you have added, before you added ones place. We are done with ones place. Now add tens place. Do we have any tens place here? No. So add tens place here and tens place here. 2 plus 3. Again near doubles. 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus 1, 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Now we have hundreds place. Do we have hundreds place in the other numbers? No. So write the 100 place. So what is the sum of these addends? It is 165. Now shall we check it by arranging them vertically? Here what you have to keep in mind? The places. Because each number has different number of digits. So firstly, let's take the big number. That is 127. Now let's write 30. So from where should I start 30? From tens place. 8. 8 is in ones place, so write 8 in ones place. Now find the sum. 8 plus 7 is 15. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 is 6. So nothing. We are not taking any care. Now 1. So here also we got 165. Even when we arranged it vertically and when we found the sum, here also we got it as 165. So this is how you will do horizontal addition. Ones place, ones place. How many of ones places are there? First add all the ones places, then add tens place, then add hundreds place. This like this you can do the horizontal addition. So for you today's learning engagement will be on horizontal addition, where you need to add the numbers horizontally only. Alright, don't write them vertically. Try it. Okay, keep learning. Bye.